Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to find which expression simplifies to 0 for x equals to -1/2. To simplify the first expression, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square displayed at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to apply the formula for the first binomial square, 6 plus 5x in parentheses squared. When I do that, I get 6 squared plus 2 times 6 times 5x plus 5x squared. Next, I'm going to open parentheses and multiply x by 6 and then by -5x. When I do that, I get 6x minus 5x squared minus 8. When I simplify further, this equals to 36 plus 60x plus 25x squared plus 6x minus 5x squared minus 8. Next, I'm going to add all like terms that have the same variable raised to the same power. Like terms are 25x squared and minus 5x squared, 60x and 6x, and 36 and minus 8. When I add these pairs, I get 20x squared plus 66x plus 28. Next, I'm going to substitute x with -1/2 and calculate the value of this expression. When I do that, this equals to 20 in parentheses -1/2 in parentheses squared plus 66 multiplied by -1/2 plus 28. When I calculate this, I get 20 divided by 4 or 5 plus 66 divided by -2 gives -33 plus 28. When I add all these three numbers, their sum equals to 0. Therefore, the first expression simplifies to 0 for x equals to -1/2. Next, I'm going to use the same approach and simplify the second expression. I'm going to use the formula for binomial square to expand the binomial square 7 minus 5x in parentheses squared. When I do that, I get 7 squared minus 2 times 7 times 5x plus 5x in parentheses squared. Next, I'm going to open parentheses and multiply -x by 4 and then by -3x. When I do that, I get minus 4x plus 3x squared minus 93. When I simplify further, I get 49 minus 70x plus 25x squared minus 4x plus 3x squared minus 93. Next, I'm going to add all like terms. 25x squared and 3x squared is one pair of like terms. Minus 70x and minus 4x is a second pair of like terms. And then finally I have 49 and -93. 25x squared plus 3x squared gives 28x squared. Minus 70x minus 4 is minus 74x. And then I have 49 minus 93 is minus 44. As the next step, I'm going to substitute x with negative 1/2 and calculate the expression. When I do that, this equals to 28 in parentheses minus 1/2 squared minus 74 in parentheses minus 1/2 minus 44. When I calculate this, it equals to 28 divided by 4 is 7. And I have plus 37 minus 44. When I add these three numbers, their sum equals to 0. Therefore, the second expression also simplifies to 0 for x equals to negative 1/2. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.